Hꯧji Trongraubi incident sina yamdrabade FIR of darkar lay FIR ahum se angang ani hatpagi mama sokpagi FIR ama akombada ngasaigi ani subada ngasaigi mayam sina penna dadana sangubagi FIR ama sanguraga thugaire khokaile haibabduna police na somoto lokhalasu natre hairaga ngasaigi CRPF na complaint lodge torpagi orosu FIR ama adu natabada hौजिकी सिना civilian ahum je kapaga hatpa amadi mi mayam sokpagi FIR se against the accused CRPF personnel se masidi police na somoto lokhataba amadi victim singi bina thapra thadabra haibadu dei khangre madugi FIR sine ma leiti haisi FIR ahum se FIR ani amadi leiba male aduga amadi FIR leiteba leitribi FIR se karino haibadi civilian ahum sibagi FIR se leiteba basi police na karigi somoto lokhatabano ba sumna leiba lamasida nongmai makhon amtang tabada somoto case FIR police na lokhalineba mafamdugi jurisdiction gi duna hौजिकती mi ahum se CRPF personnel na hatli haibase there is substantial evidence for the killing of 3 civilians by the CRPF personnel. Why the police has failed to register FIR? This is the question mark from our side. Ngasai somoto case orasu natraga victim family degi orgasu 3 persons sigi civils gi matang side sida FIR register torame na khallagadi police personnel CRPF personnel singdo karigi damta phadriba amadi karigi damta court phuthoktriba CRPF personnel na akoigi civilian ahum hati haibase masigi damakta Manipur police na su statement ama thokre na khalli maramdi karigi nabdi mi singsina CRPF ki kenki noigi khulai thambamgi godam ya napsalapada kapani en haye ko I feel wonder why the police has made such statement karigi non haibadi FIR must be registered aduga ngasagi FIR se register tor matungda 3 personnel se moi se phagadabani aduga court makhoi se remand gi damakta puthokadabani ba aduga mi ahum se CRPF personnel sing se phaba matungda court puthokadabani magistrate na moi se custody pirerga custodian interrogation tohongadabani in the meantime ngasagi sidei seda commanding officer sina akhoigi section akhoigi 521 aduga Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 gi matung inna CRPF ki commanding officer na pamlagadi makhoi se court martial tognabagi damakta the magistrate should hand over the 3 personnel to the commanding officer for court martial se masigi se akhoi gi Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS desida section 521 sida yawjaba pot ne ba adu argadi masi police na mi hatle CRPF na civilian ahum hatle na haibasigi substantial evidence later phawada why the police has failed to register FIR masi yamna hangningi aduga miyam da di hairi miyam na law breaker oire dana law breaker si di akhoi gi highly high profile na labor officer sing aduga enforcement agency da leiba law enforcing agency da leiba police personnel singsina mathau karigi damakta pathau tawdabno thauti FIR register tawba singsigi mathakta tawdaba singsigi mathakta negligence of duty amadi dereliction of duty gi action zo madu authority na lokhakadabani ngarang makse chief secretary na magi officer sing magi maphamda charactergadi dereliction of duty tawni moi department inquiry tawgani haiba dumaina FIR register tawdaba police officer concerned police officer in charge Moirang police station amadi SP madugi sengche they are responsible for that aduga SP transfer tawthokpa na madu solve tawba yaroi aduga amuksu karigi non haibada akhoi state government gi home department home lady amadi DGP lady they have to ask their subordinate SP and the police officer to register FIR against the ngasai CRPF personnel maduma thamjage aduga ngasai victim family haibadi mi ahum siriba pose compensation should be awarded under the victim compensation scheme atopa atei sihibagi di paisa pire haire makhoi su they are victims ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ignorance of law ꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯀꯦꯞꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯎꯖꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯔꯦꯔꯒ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯆꯪꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯄꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯑꯦꯔꯒ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯥꯎꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯊꯤꯛꯁꯇꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯦꯕꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯂꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯅꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯄꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯨꯠ ꯆꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯁꯟꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯡꯂꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯂꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯚ ꯃꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠꯅ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ BNSSꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯠ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯠ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯃꯊꯧꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯆꯦꯗ ꯄꯦꯄꯔꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯦ ꯍꯦꯞ ꯁꯨ ꯕꯤ ꯄꯅꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯄꯥꯔ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯂꯦꯟ